So today we are working on the heads on the Blue Beast. I got my lapping compound in. I've got my lapping tools, and I'm going to make a tool to remove the springs on the valves so we can clean everything up. So next clip you'll probably see me making the tools for the valve tool removable. So that's what I'm gonna make next. Alright, see you all in a second. Here's what my plans are. I'm gonna cut this probably right about here. I'm gonna cut a couple slots where these bolts go. This is gonna be the part that pushes down on the valve, so I'm gonna cut a couple slots so when you push down you can get to the retainer clips. But with another piece of this, I'm gonna make an arm that comes up like this, and then another arm that comes off of that one like this. So then there's another arm that goes down on here. So this piece is going to be welded, and this is going to basically be like an L bracket going this way with a bolt tying it into hinge. So when you push down with a handle, it's going to hinge just like that. It's going to hinge like that. Push down on the valves, take them out, and then pick it back up. And then all this is going to do is hook on there. So it's just going to slide up underneath, push down, take your retainer clips up, come up, let it out, move over. You can just put all your bolts right back into place. So I know it's kind of hard to explain right now, and you'll see here in a second. So hang tight. Alright, so here she is. Here's my homemade tool. So your two back bolts where your rockers would bolt down to, put them in place. This will hook in there. This sits on top of where your springs are, and then this locks in place as you push down. That's what it's doing. So here, I'll show you a quick example. The only other thing you have to do is make sure you hold this head, because it's going to want to rock this head because you're putting a lot of leverage on it. But as you see right here in the middle, your keepers are open. So as soon as you push down on this, there they are. A little fine tuning, but it's pretty much, you get the gist of what we're doing here. We can get two springs off at the same time. Now I'll have to probably figure out a way to hold this head down still, and then that way when we push on it, of course the valves are going down with it now, but you get two at a time right there. Should be pretty quick. And then I had a notch off right here around this head for this side, so it clears that curve, and then of course over here on this side, so it'll clear this curve when we get down to that side. There you go, guys. Little homemade valve spring tool. We'll see how it works. Shit open, and see how this tool works. The trick is the shorter bolts. So shorter bolts definitely seem to be helping a lot on that. I already have it. So I guess go ahead and move it over to the ball it up really good so it doesn't. That's just the trick. So shorter bolts. Huh? Oh, it's still pretty good. I had a couple there, and it hurt me underneath that freaking car. Using this with the two bolts, flat bar, to kind of help offset the pressure. definitely too many operations. Unless you can secure this head down. I'm still pissed I broke that bolt. Because I was trying to get that bolt out. Another one broke too, it's like broke the wood. Half the time. I didn't know if I did it. Yeah, there's a guy on YouTube, his name is Sloppy Mechanic. He's pretty good. Yeah, might be a projector or something. But he's talking about how these heads always come out one side and always comes out like 30 years ago. Same thing with that. Woo, got all four of my shot. Alright. Just pull for a second. See if we can get the vice grippies on them. So I saw another guy on YouTube do this. You gotta love YouTube. So I just welded a bead up on it from the base. Built it up. Looks like a little tip of a spark plug. So we'll see if that heat will help break this loose. I highly doubt this is going to work on the first try. We'll see. WD-40 in there. It's moving. Oh, there goes my weld. God damn it. Too much moving back and forth. Okay. Well, move on to the other one. I'm guessing the trick is to not work it back and forth. Just keep it going one direction. Nope. Okay, that one came off too. Looks like it's just the top part that's coming off. Okay, I'm gonna weld a little bit more back on it. She's turning but real slow. Ah! Oh, you stopped your recording? I hope I didn't strip those threads. They got a little further out. Yeah, we'll pressure wash it. We'll soak it with some degreaser. Fucking pulled right off. Come to Papa. Thank you, Mother Jesus. I was hoping it wouldn't have jacked anything up. That one definitely was a little bit more of a pain in the ass. But it worked. So if you got a welding machine, I thought I burned through kind of on that side right there, but thankfully I didn't. Came right out. So there you have it, folks. Out here making her happen. Lone Star Customs.